Hi everybody, it's Sophia here, and today I'm going to show you a plugin that you can use on your WordPress site that is going to make your life so much easier when it comes to updating your themes and your plugins. So I'm inside IThemes Sync, and this is what I use with all my clients and on my website. And basically, this is a plugin that you are going to upload onto your site, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I'm just going to show you some of the features of this plugin. This is great because you can um, update your themes and your plugins, like I said, from anywhere. You can be on your mobile and do it, or from anywhere. Really easy. So the free account of iThemes Sync you can have 9 sites on it, and then obviously some other features are not included in the free version of iThemes Sync. But if you're a solopreneur, this is ideal for you. You know, you're going to have maybe 1 or 2 websites, so you won't need the pro version at all for the time being, unless you expand and you have more websites. So in here, for example, let's go to, so in here it gives you all the sites that have been updated, and it gives you if there's anything that you need to look at inside the site, and it gives you some alerts. But for example, inside each site you have updates that need to be done, so you can just update that, click on that button and update it. You've got notes, so for example, if you this is for those of you that are web designers, web developers, and you're doing the site yourselves. I put notes, so like for example, plugins that I need to install, etc. There is a client dashboard, which is just available on the pro subscribers, pro version. And then there's a full site details. And this is great because in here you have an overview of everything. So you have an overview of all your themes, plugins, security, users, etc., etc. You have the other things underneath the overview, which is the themes posts. All the posts are in here as well, which is amazing. Comments, Google Analytics if your site is connected with Google Analytics, a search console, social sharing, WP settings, and optimized version as well. Also, a list of all your plugins that you have on your site, which is really good. Backup data if you have anything set up on your website for backup, security as well, all the things that you have about security on the site, like I said, users and logs. So all you have to do is the following. If you're new to this, like I said, all my clients have this plugin because I also give support to them for 3 months after they finished work with me. So free support on that area. So all you have to do is, and I'm going into a client site for now, and I'm going to install the plugin so you can see how it works. So you go to your WordPress site and you go to the plugins area here, and you're going to add new. So you're going to here, add new, upload plugin, and here is where you need to go to insert the zip file. So you go choose file and install now. activate the plugin. And now all we need to do is go and set up the sync, right? If you have opened an account with IThemes, this is where you will go. So open the account with IThemes, you're going to get a username and a password. I'm not going to put it here, but you put your username and your password and you just press the sync button. And this is all you need to do. Once the website where you put the sync plugin is connected, you are going to start seeing in the iThemes dashboard that website. So let me pause the video and then I'm coming back here to show you the website already there. So I've inserted now the username and the password and woohoo, your site has been synced. Now let's go on to the iThemes and refresh this page. And there you have it. So this is the site where I installed the sync plugin. And now I'm just going to put a little note. Okay. And basically all you have to do is the following. You go, all your accounts that have the yellow, it's because there's something that needs to be updated. All you have to do is press this button here and you update automatically. And there you have it, that's 0. Okay, so this is the end of this tutorial. Go and open an account in iThemes Sync and try it out, test it. This is great, like I said, if you're a solopreneur and or if you actually have like a VA or a team that is maintaining and updating your site for you. So this will be great to give them to you, but I'm just explaining it to you because I believe that we need to know exactly how the systems and how everything works in our website so we can better outsource and give it to others to do and delegate. So I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments.